So I have received a parcel. Let's see. And yeah, PW. So if you know, I was talking about joining a coaching for my JEE journey, and I chose PW. Let's see what's in this gift. So we leave this for a while. This. Yeah. Here we have for PW. All 16 modules. I'm gonna check the quality of them. And well, we've got some of these goodies over here. I had 5 of these, means 5 of each. My sister took one of them each. And we have got this die. This looks for this die. I'm gonna open this and show you afterwards. And we have got one of these designs. Okay, quality. Looks like that. Then after reviewing this die, and you will see here you have to write your name, and here is all of your basic details, and here you have to mark on the day of your month, means the day of the month you're studying, means it's like a plan. Any of these, and then it starts after this next, and then this is like for every. These are the modules. Let's take out maths. So if you see in maths, first there's I guess the weightage of the factors, and after that, yeah, here's the notes. If I check, it's pretty good theory actually, and according to me, the questions are also pretty damn good. Like there are topic wise questions, and also other things. And obviously, it's not a sponsor video, so yeah, I'll give my basic medical. So here we have got medical module. So I've already shown you the module. We have got 4 books each for each module. So I do it 4, and that's good. And here we have got 1 each solution book and 1 of the JEE question booklet. So here total is 50 and here is 1. So in total you got 50 books. So after checking them, I didn't mention this, but we have got. So after noticing that we have got actually teacher's picked question book, and I told him